Welcome back to Auto Legends. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova is here, and it's ready to redefine the compact muscle car segment. This modern take on a classic icon blends retro-inspired styling with cutting-edge performance and technology. From its aggressive front grille and sharp, LED headlights to its sculpted bodylines, the Nova exudes a mix of nostalgia and modern sophistication. Under the hood, the Nova offers a 2.7 turbocharged four-cylinder as the base engine, producing 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. Perfect for drivers who value both efficiency and power. For enthusiasts, there's a 6.2 Ovate option, delivering a thrilling 495 horsepower, ensuring that the Nova stays true to its muscle car heritage. Both engines are paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless gear changes and optimal performance. Inside, the Nova offers a driver-centric cabin with premium materials, a large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 13.4-inch infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android. The minimalist yet functional design ensures a blend of comfort and technology. Optional performance seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel enhance the sporty vibe of the interior, while features like wireless charging and a premium Bose sound system add convenience and luxury. On the road, the Nova delivers a balanced driving experience. Its lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system provide sharp handling without compromising ride comfort. The car also includes multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to switch between Eco, Sport, and track settings to suit their preferences. An optional performance package adds Brembo brakes, upgraded tires, and a limited slip differential for even more spirited driving. Chevrolet has also integrated advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring the Nova is as safe as it is stylish and fun to drive. The exterior can be personalized with a variety of bold colors and optional racing stripes, while a special RS trim offers unique badges, blacked-out accents, and a more aggressive stance. For those who value efficiency, the turbocharged engine offers impressive fuel economy, making the Nova a practical choice for daily driving without sacrificing performance. With its competitive pricing and a wide range of configurations, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova appeals to both muscle car purists and modern drivers alike. This car is not just a revival of a nameplate. It's a statement from Chevrolet that the compact muscle car still has a place in today's market. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up the track, the Nova delivers a driving experience that's hard to beat. Thanks for watching.